Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you and it is Toyl, Time of Your Life. If you're new to Toyl and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. I'll just give you a bit of a lowdown. But as always, if you're just curious and seeing what's inside this box, then you'll find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They've kindly given me a code to share with you, which is GEEK, and that will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box. If you're interested in the subscription for yourself, then you'll find all the links and all the codes down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Toyl stands for Time of Your Life and it is a beauty subscription box for women of midlife, so say 35 years and over. Inside you find beauty products, hair care, skincare, makeup, nail care for instance, all centered around our age group, which is really great, and it stands out as being a unique niche type of subscription. Then the cost of the box is £39.99 a month, and that's free shipping within the UK. Each box has a value of over £100. On the 18th of the month you are able to see what next month's box is going to contain. So if you are a subscriber and you fancy knowing what the following month's box is going to be, and say for instance you think, oh, do you know what, there's a few products in there I don't really want, then you are able to get in touch with Karen, the owner, and be able to pause your subscription, which is really good. So you're able to see it beforehand and then make your decision. Toyl was founded by Karen, who's an award-winning beauty blogger and an Amazon best-selling author of Time of Your Life book. And she has social media channels where you're able to obviously see what the contents of the products are. But throughout the month on Facebook and on Instagram, you are able to see her using the products, talking about them. And sometimes she actually has interviews with the brands that feature inside these boxes. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything I've missed out and you want to learn a little bit more, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside the June box. So inside we get a leaflet here and it details everything about the products inside the box, and it gives you an overview of the theme as well, which I'll go through in a minute. And the value of this month's box comes to £145.40, and for July we've got a sneak peek. It says rich body creams, super shower gels, body exfoliators, perfect pedicure treats and more as we get into our floatiest of dresses and fabulous shorts and go on our hauls. This is a box packed with products for you or to share with your friends, and everyone is an absolute full-size winner. And it says what I have chosen from which brand, find out on the 18th of July. So let's open it up. First up, we've got a product by Murad. I love this brand. It is such an amazing brand. This is from their hydration range. Intense recovery cream, soothing moisturizer for face and eyes, and there's 50 mils here. So nice big size. I'm not going to try it because I am going to be putting this aside ready to use when I've used up some other moisturizers, but oh, I really want to shove my finger in there. Oh, I do. I'm not. I'm going to be strong. This cream alone is worth £69. This product is clinically proven as a comforting cream for face and eyes, reducing the visible signs of stress, induced aging and redness. So it follows on the work of our April Colour Correct box. Don't give this to anyone, keep it and use it. Karen's top tip: this product can be used morning and night, but get ready for some serious results. Why don't you take a before photo and then 2 weeks later take another and see if you can register real improvements? I did it and saw an incredible difference. It's got a moisturizer by Murad. Next we've got Kate Somerville. This is Daily Deflector Mineral Sunscreen. I love sunscreen. I got a load of it, but I use a load of it. Every time I get a sunscreen I get really happy. Broad spectrum, SPF 30, high protection, UVA, and there's 50 mils there. Formulated with 100% zinc oxide UV protection. Again, I'm not going to open this one. Oh, the packaging is so nice. Again, I'm not going to be opening this one. Again, I'm not going to be opening this one because I want to save them. I want to use what I've already got. I am actually going to be doing a video. You've asked me many, many times to see my beauty room. We've converted a hallway into my little beauty room. If you've been a subscriber for a long while, you might remember I used to film in a tiny little box room. Well, since the pandemic, my husband has taken over and he's turned it into an office, and that's where he's still working now. So unfortunately I can't go back there. That's why I'm in my bedroom. So I needed somewhere to keep all my beauty products and boxes and things like that. So we've converted a little hallway and we've got loads and loads of shelving. I've got all my hats on my wall and everything. So I've been tidying that up, putting it into order. But then I will be doing a video because I know a load of you are curious to see my stuff, all my stuff and what I use and things. So yeah, so I'll be putting that away, but I will be using it. It retails for £46. It says Kate Somerville is a total beauty queen. Kate's 100% mineral sunscreen absorbs anti-flex UV rays that contribute to 80% of premature aging. Non-nano zinc oxide provides UVA and UVB protection. Expertly formulated restoring ingredients hydrates and strengthens skin. Daily Deflector also helps protect from blue light, which can also cause wrinkles and hyperpigmentation. And then it goes on to telling you how to apply it. Karen's top tip: use this sunscreen every day this summer. Whatever the weather, SPF is key for you and me to stop lines, wrinkles and age spots forming. Yeah, definitely. So yeah, I'll probably use that after I come back from my holiday. Going away in July, 5 weeks to go. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. 5 or 6 weeks. I think 6 weeks, I think it is. I cannot wait. But have you seen all the hassle? Oh my gosh, all the flights, delays, the cancellations and everything. It is absolutely bonkers here in the UK. I'm not sure what it is like elsewhere. I'm assuming it's the same. But everyone wants to go on their holidays. Like this holiday that we're going on to Greece was booked in 2019. I can cope with a delay. I can do. It'll annoy me, but I can cope with it. But it's a cancellation and not being able to fly out to Santorini we're going. Oh, that would upset me. Anyway, back to this. Next up, we got a product from Origins. This is Plantscription Multi-Powered Youth Serum, and there's 15 mils here, so it's a little mini one. I've tried this serum, and it is a really nice serum. Yeah, it feels really nice on the skin as well. I'm assuming this size is £20 and 10p because I'm sure the full size is around £60. Our number one anti-aging serum, formulated to reduce the look of lines and renew firmness. Karen's top tip: isn't this the perfect size to pop in your luggage as you jet off on your hauls? I'll certainly be taking this with me to my Lake District week next month. I'll apply after cleansing, so cleanse, serum, moisturise, SPF in the morning and cleanse, serum and night cream at night. We've got a face serum by Origins. Then we've got a little nail polish here. This is Cyber Silver. This is by Mavela. I don't know how you say it. Mavela. And yeah, it's really cute. This is 996 silver. Cyber Silver. Nail polish there. The nail polish retails for £5.50. The Mavela mini colours have been designed to minimise solvent evaporation and avoid this inconvenience. Because of its small size, one uses the whole content with no waste. Mavela cares about consumers' health, so their nail polishes are formulated only with carefully selected ingredients. Karen's top tip: Mavela is a Swiss brand, so very focused on the ingredients, and the small size is perfect as a bit of fun. Once the Platinum Jubilee is over, don't consign this to the back of your drawer, as it is a great colour for toes over summer, and you can even layer it with regular colours to create whole new shades. Yeah, I'm actually thinking, because I have gel nails done, so I don't use nail polish on my fingers anymore, but I do wear polish on my toes, and for going away I was just going to have white nails, but I'm thinking maybe I'll do some really cool like bohemian style designs, white nails with a bit of silver on top. I don't know. But yeah, we'll see. So there's that. Next, we've got something for the hair. This is by Bumble and Bumble. This is BB Thickening Plumping Mask. Volumizing in-shower treatment. Expands each hair strand for full-on all-day volume. That sounds really great. Colour safe, and there's 30 mils here. I've tried sprays, thickening sprays, texturising sprays, which I really like from this brand, but not a mask. This retails for £4.80. All day volume starts with a mask. This lightweight in-shower treatment, powered by Emlica technology, plump strands from roots to ends for thicker, fuller, volumised look. After shampooing, apply from root to tip and massage in. Leave on for 2 to 5 minutes, then rinse well. Air dry and blow dry. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a little sample here, Seed of Colour. Enjoy your Colour Pops Eco Sample. Let's open it up and see. Oh my word! Oh my gosh, they're teeny tiny. It's so cute. Can you see? Tiny, tiny. There's a brown one and a pink one. And I can pull them open. Oh, oh, I don't want to. How liquidy is it? Oh my gosh. Look, they're tiny. I'll just do the pink one. Just put a tiny dollop on there. It's enough there, obviously, to try. Just to give you a little bit of a flush to the cheeks. What's it say about them? These little pill-shaped samples are packed with vegan colour, suitable to use across the lips, lids and cheeks. The natural colour balm's signature pigment has been forged from some of the finest ingredients nature has to offer, including beetroot, blackcurrant, blueberry, coconut, castor, neroli, paprika and sunflower. But yeah, no, that's a pretty colour. I'm not sure. Can you see a little bit of a tint? I'll pop them back in here so I don't lose them. But this is what they will look like if you were to buy. There. So those are all the products inside the June Toyl subscription box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Murad Intense Recovery Moisturising Cream. We've got a Kate Somerville Daily Deflector Mineral SPF Cream. We've got a Bumble and Bumble Thickening Hair Mask. We've got an Origins Plantscription, a facial serum. We've got a Marvela Cyber Silver nail polish. And then we got the freebie of the little seeds in there, or the little pill from Seeds of Colour. So the cost of the box is £39.99 and it has a value of £145 something. I can't remember what it was now. £145.40. Obviously, the two standout products are these. Really, really love these. Cannot wait to use them. This cream just looks gorgeous. I'll be putting it on my ready to use shelf when I've used some more of my moisturisers. But yeah, Kate Somerville, brilliant brand, but really, really happy with these. Yeah, and these too. I really like the idea of a thickening mask. It sounds gorgeous. I've already tried this before and it is a really nice serum. And I'm thinking of doing something funky with my toes, maybe. So yeah, all in all, it's a really great box this month. But as always, I'd love to know what your thoughts are. Are you a subscriber to Toyl? What do you think of the products if you've received your box? Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? As always, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you liked this video and subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.